If you're building an off-grid solar system and looking for a compact hybrid inverter with a built-in MPPT charger, this ANENJI 4KW hybrid solar inverter is an interesting option to check out. This model is listed with a 4200-watt rating and 24-volt battery system, and it's designed to combine solar power with other available power sources for off-grid applications. One of the main features here is the built-in 100-amp solar charge controller. Having the MPPT controller built directly into the inverter means you don't necessarily need a separate solar charge controller, which can help simplify the overall setup. The inverter supports 50 Hz and 60 Hz output frequencies, while the AC output is listed at around 220 to 230 volts with plus or minus 5% regulation. So depending on your setup and region, this can be suitable for powering a range of household appliances and other equipment within its rated capacity. But there's one feature that really stands out in the listing: batteryless operation. ANENJI says this inverter can work without a battery, allowing solar power to be used directly when sufficient solar energy is available. That's potentially useful for people who want to start with a solar setup without immediately investing in a large battery bank. However, batteryless operation doesn't mean the system will provide stable power regardless of sunlight. Solar production changes throughout the day, and without a battery, there isn't the same energy buffer for periods of low sunlight or sudden changes in solar output. The inverter also features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor or manage the system through compatible functionality. The unit is relatively compact, measuring around 36 by 30 by 10 centimeters, with a listed weight of approximately 7 kilograms. It's also designed for a fairly wide operating temperature range, from around -10 to 55 degrees Celsius, while storage temperatures are listed between -15 and 50 degrees Celsius. The inverter is CE certified, and the listing describes it as a smart device with customizable configurations. Now, there's something important to keep in mind with this product. The listing title mentions both 4kW 220-volt and 3kW 110-volt versions, while the specifications mention a 4.200-watt 24-volt model and 220 to 230-volt output. So before purchasing, make sure you select the correct version for your electrical system and confirm the exact rated power, input voltage, PV specifications, battery requirements, and batteryless operating limitations with the seller. The current listed price is around $208.96, compared with the original listed price of $506.43, which is shown as a 58% discount. Prices and configurations can change, so check the listing for the latest information before buying. If you want to check out the ANENJI 4KW Hybrid Solar Inverter, click the link in the description below to buy and see the latest version and available price. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more solar equipment, power solutions, technology reviews, and interesting gadgets.